with the freaky freckle.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for Appalachia Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ocklawahamie River, Florida out to 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Ocklawahamie River to Apalachicola, Florida out to 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola out 20 nautical miles, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 12:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 15 nautical miles west of St. Mark's to Airport St. Joe, moving east at 25 knots.
It's gonna be a double
Hazard,
header.
wind gusts
It's gonna be
34
a
knots
double
or greater.
header.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Apalachicola, St. George Island, K-Tower, and Marker 24 Barge. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Severe thunderstorm watch number 168 has been canceled for the following counties: in Florida, Calhoun and Jackson, and Seminole, Georgia. Southwestern Wakulla County in Big Bend of Florida, southeastern Liberty County in Big Bend of Florida, northeastern Franklin County in Big Bend of Florida, until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles northwest of Seattle, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South Choppy, Alligator Point, Morgan Place, St. Teresa, Turkey Point, Bala Point, Panacea Wakulla Airport, McIntyre, Sanborn, Panacea, Owens Bridge, Medard, Buckhorn, Spring Creek, Landmark Village, and Travis Mill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Florida, Franklin, Liberty, and Wakulla. These are the 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time conditions. At the Tallahassee Airport, a thunderstorm was reported. The temperature was 72 degrees. The wind was north at 13 miles an hour. The report from Florida State University.
No more warning.